One and only enough.
This is the 1939 Seeburg Classic. Plays 20 selections, 78 RPM. This particular unit has been restored. We try to use as many of the original parts as possible. You may notice that these pieces of plastic here, these are quite beautiful. This is original. This and the centerpiece are made from a product called Catalane, and it simply lasts. The other plastics did fall apart. They deteriorate over time, and they've been all replaced by replacement. The tone arm in this has been also replaced from a 1947 model. The reason why is that it makes it much lighter. The technology between 1939 and the late 40s progressed substantially. This model even has a new style cartridge. The new style cartridge allows it to play not only the 78s that are made from the shellac. This is a shellac 78, and notice that there's no flex in this particular record. If you drop it, it'll shatter like glass. Modern vinyl records don't. They're very flexible. The cartridge in this allows you to play both the original shellac 78s plus any vinyl 78s. Currently there's no 78s in production, but that could change. This is a bit of the original plastic. You can see that this was supposed to be straight, and much larger. The amplifier in this has been rebuilt. However, it is the original amplifier using the original, most of the original resistors and the original transformers. This is the deluxe version of the amplifier. It's 8 tubes. So as you heard, the sound on it is very nice. The interesting thing about the jukeboxes from the late 30s is that they do have the beautiful wood cabinets using wood solids. They use very little veneer, and most of the parts are glass. These are actually glass. This is a mechanism that Seeburg developed. They came out with the original symphonola mechanism in 1936, and it continued until early 1949. So all throughout the war years, when production for jukeboxes was curtailed, so once again, 1939 Seeburg Classic.